I know, so it makes no difference.
Is anyone shitting in the house?
What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. Aren't you having an amazing day, Harley?
Super day.
But let's make sure that everything is started. Okay, there we go. So we are live. For all those that know me but don't know Harley, Harley is actually one of my roommates or a housemate. I don't know what it is that you can call it. But one of the things that I've noticed is that within this like huge catalyst of growth that our group has experienced, right? We started with 1,000 members at the beginning of this year, and we're now above 60,000. We have over 75,000 or 77,000 subscribers. And I think now because so much of our structure and our content is now kind of moving towards a little bit more people that are intermediate and advanced, I just want to make sure that for those that are just starting out, that we can still assist them kind of, to come and have a better understanding on how to trade. So that is what Harley is going to be. Yeah, that is what Harley is going to be here for. So like we did last time, we started a Robinhood $1,000 challenge. It was on the principle of growing $1,000 up to $20,000 with the average growth of I think it was like 3.34% growth on average per trade 3 times a week, 7% on a weekly basis, and then overall on a monthly basis it was 28%. Our target's going to be a little bit different. So we're just going to set up some rules. The rules are going to be down in the description. And the whole purpose of this is just to get people to trade consistently, good quality picks, to focus on not trading based on other people's opinion and when the quality isn't there, and making sure that every single week you're planning out your trades in preparation to achieve your weekly target. So what's your weekly target?
A weekly target?
Yeah.
Yeah, 5,000. 5,000? Oh, 5%. Yeah, 5% gain.
5%. So regardless of what your account is with Robinhood, what we're going to do is we're going to start Harley a YouTube channel, and his information isn't going to be, if you guys subscribe and join us for tomorrow's live stream, I'll have his YouTube channel posted so you guys can subscribe to him. But for those that are with a Robinhood account and want to get a better understanding on how to trade consistently, Harley's going to be trying his best to come over as many days as possible, right? He lives right next door anyway, so he's going to be but he's going to be trying to come over in a little bit more of a consistent basis and making sure that at least on a weekly basis. The reason that I think that this could be so effective is because you guys can have someone to reference off of your best practices, your mistakes, maybe some questions that you have, and then Harley can reach out to me, and if he has any questions, then I can answer to him, and then he can make a video to everyone that is having these specific issues. So with that being said, I think that could be very powerful, because it's kind of like everyone that has a Robinhood account that's just getting started can kind of follow Harley, and if Harley has any questions along the way, he has me and the whole TechBuds community to assist him. So I think it would be amazing to be able to assist new traders, as well as talk about the importance of consistency and only trading good quality picks. Regardless if you're starting with $1,000, regardless if your Robinhood account is $10,000, it doesn't matter what the principle is. We are going to be developing a new Excel sheet that can accommodate whatever your target is, similar to last one, but it's going to be revised. We're going to be coming up with a weekly watch list that Harley is going to compose himself. And in our Sunday Stock Talk, again, this isn't set in stone. It's either in the Sunday Stock Talk or in the private group chat that we have for TechBuds Solutions. He's going to be sharing maybe the top 1 or 2 stocks that he's trading and looking at for the upcoming week. And you guys might be saying, well, what the heck? We have 3 day trades. Why is he only trading 1 or 2 stocks? We're going to focus on, I think, quality, most out of everything, right? We're going to be focusing on maybe some day trades, but realistically some good quality swing trades that are really easy to understand.
Looking for like a week-long trade? Or?
Yeah, it could be a week-long trade. As long as it accommodates your weekly target, that's going to be the goal. Gotcha. Harley, he's a full-time student. He works and he's busy, right? And I think that could really, mold kind of the average individual, right? They're busy, but always trying to find different ways on how to make money. Obviously, Harley's extremely motivated. He came and I don't know why he took so long to come and just join us when it comes down to trading. But I'm super excited that now he's here and ready to get started. And we have this set plan. So it's going to be 5% target growth on a weekly basis, 20% on a month. So we're not too sure exactly what it is that you're going to be starting with, but with your initial principle, right? Because that can change. But he is currently looking at 3 different stocks. And do you want to talk about each one?
Well, so these are actually 3 stocks that I've been looking at, and then also kind of took a small position in.
Yeah.
The first one, kind of overlooking some of your videos, has been in GoPro.
Yeah.
That's what I've been watching just a little bit recently, and that's also a company I'm quite fond of as well.
Yeah.
Just on a personal basis. And then also KEM was another ticker, and then last one being TIVA.
TIVA being a little bit more of like a riskier trade, right? But
yeah, riskier trades has some. I just noticed some uptrend recently, and I traded it a couple weeks ago and made some good profits. So it's another one I just want to look back at, just because I did make good return on it.
Definitely, no, I like it. So again, it's all about trading what it is that you see value in and making sure that you do it on a consistent basis. So yeah, so GoPro is down right now, and when it comes down to my biggest thing is I've been following up with the different positions that I've been taking when it comes down to like KEM. If you guys are part of our group chat, with GoPro, with UGAS and DGAS and all that good stuff, that's the same thing. I mean, the people that usually follow me and try to kind of ask me questions are people that are a little bit more familiar with the platforms. We want to make sure that we just get people in the habit of asking more questions, trading more on a consistent basis, and less on other people's opinion. And I think that's something that Harley is going to be able to, clearly express on how important that is. So, okay, that's a good question. So the whole reason that we're doing the Robinhood, challenge is just because Robinhood is such a popular brokerage that a lot of new traders are using. Yeah. It doesn't matter really what brokerage you are using. That's just the title. When we did the Robinhood $1,000 challenge, it was just the principle of starting with a set amount and doing this on a consistent basis. So with that being said, it doesn't matter if you guys are using SureTrader, if you guys are overseas, if you guys are using E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, Robinhood. If you are someone that is new and just getting started and want to follow someone that is working on consistent growth, that is invested in what they see value in, and you guys can break down stocks together, then I think that this can provide value in a whole new way, especially for those that are just getting started. Yeah. I think that's the easiest way to put it. But I'm super excited if you guys are looking forward to, we'll get on this. Yeah, so that's really just it. So we just wanted to kind of introduce that we were going to be bringing back the Robinhood $1,000 challenge. Or Robinhood challenge. I think we are going to try to make a subgroup for that group specifically, just so we can cover all those questions. We are going to be developing a blog, if you can say that, that's going to cover all the FAQs. So for all those that are following and want to follow his progress with this Robinhood $1,000 challenge and want to see maybe his top 2 stocks or 3 stocks for the week, we're gonna have that all nicely organized for you. But yeah, that's something to look forward to. If you guys want to tune in for tomorrow's live stream, we're going to be live 10 minutes before the market opens. And then that's when I'm going to have the link to his new YouTube channel, as well as how you guys can stay connected when it comes down to these FAQs being answered and stuff like that. So altogether, all the links are down below if you guys want to stay connected. If you guys don't have a Robinhood account but are looking into possibly getting started, you guys can get a free stock by clicking the 4th link down in the description. That is Harley's referral link, so it will give him a free stock and it will give you a free stock as well. So thank you guys again. If you guys have any questions on how to stay connected with me and my community, we do have over 60,000 members. That's the 2nd link in the description, and you guys can join our networking platform. And then on the top pinned post, there's a private group chat where we would love to assist you in your success. So Randall's asking, hey Ricky, did you teach him how to trade, or has he already traded before? Just curious. So I believe you opened the Robinhood account while you were here, right?
Oh yeah, 100%.
Yeah,
it was on recommendation of you. I'd never traded anything prior. I really had no knowledge of the stock market too much, just based on your standard economics classes of what my knowledge was prior to trading. So yeah, very new to it still. And then I obviously have a great opportunity living next door to him. So I just kind of plunging it all in, I guess.
Definitely. So,
being here, so
I mean, Harley dove right in. He actually surprised me on when he actually did start with his Robinhood account, that he was like, jumping right into it. So one of the things that we're going to be working on, that I'm going to be working on with him, is making sure that we're planning out his trades, that he knows his entry, exit, stop loss, his whole, kind of breakdown before he takes a confirmation or before he takes a position. And then with that being said, I hope that that can trickle down to the people that are going to be following Harley and guiding you guys in the right direction. So I think it only gives the newer people a better option to kind of have someone that's a little bit more accessible. And I think it's going to put more responsibility on Harley, but I think that the reward can be mutual, because you're going to see, how you can have a positive impact in other people's kind of trading, career with simple tips and tricks that you've learned along the way. But yeah, so all the links are going to be down below. You guys can browse around our YouTube channel. We do have a series of helpful videos that can cover a lot of frequently asked questions. And then if you guys are really interested in just diving in when it comes down to the stock market, feel free to click the first link. That's where I work in a private group chat. I mentor people on a one-on-one basis by investing in the stock market, buying and reselling cars, and investing in real estate. So I talk about my best practice. I work with you on a one-on-one. And yeah, I would love to be a part of your success. And again, that is the first link to learn a little bit more about that. I do want to let you guys know that I just went to go pick up my new flip, and that is a 2006 Yamaha R1. So this is a Yamaha R1, so it's like the one we had last time, but this is a 1000cc instead of a 600cc. So that video will be up later on this week. We have JR Garage and their whole crew coming and visiting, I believe, tomorrow. And then I believe Tanner Fox is going to visit the following week. So it's going to be a super jam-packed week, and I hope that you guys are all super excited, but we need to get going. And again, let's just keep it consistent, trade quality stocks, and make sure that we manage our risks. So all the links are down below. Thank you guys again for everything it is that you guys do. Continue working hard, continue following your dreams, let your passion be what drives you in your success. And if you guys are excited for the Robinhood challenge or just getting this going, feel free to give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to use Harley's referral link for Robinhood to get a free stock. So thank you guys again. Like always,